Go ahead and use that aftermarket solenoid valve. You use one, I'll toss one. You buy one, I'll throw one away. You use one, I'll replace it. What a piece of junk. Putting this on a KOBELCO excavator is like lighting a lamp in the outhouse. You're just asking for trouble. Freaking out, I'm totally losing it. The KOBELCO SK200-6 moves all jerky. Alright. Let's open it up. Holy crap, tooey. Movements are out of sync. Hey. Let's check the RPM first. Idling. Over 900 revolutions per minute. Full throttle. 1800. Come on, let's swap it. Boom, lift, pause. Stick retraction slow. This is way too sluggish. At 1,450 revolutions per minute, 1,450. Stick retraction. Why is it letting the boom run wild? City, it's way too slow. Let's go tune it up. Stinky smell. Gotta love that fat stink. Damn it. What to check for this? Just the solenoid valve's variable. If the variable's off, oil won't flow right. Fixing excavators all day. And now fighting with doors. Crap. Deviation. Hey. Yeah, dirty again. Domestic solenoid valves suck. Useless. Still a new solenoid valve. Ouch. Try swapping in OEM solenoid valves. Aftermarket valves give this result. No alarms, but movements stay jerky and slow. Love using aftermarket parts? Go ahead, they'll give you the silent treatment. Zips right up. What is this garbage? Holy crap, awesome. See? Install it and you'll know. Go ahead and use this aftermarket solenoid valve. Use one, I toss one. Buy one, I throw one away. Use one, I replace one. What garbage? Putting this junk on a KOBELCO excavator, you're basically... How to put it? Lighting a lamp in the outhouse. You're just asking for trouble. Holy shit, brutal. Let's hop in and test it. Still at 1,450 revolutions per minute. Now this is an excavator. Same throttle setting, 1,450 revolutions per minute. This boom. Whether it's the stick, the coordination of movements. Isn't the damage obvious enough? Still don't get it, buddy? It can go even faster. This machine isn't at its best. Let me sneakily tweak a few things, not showing you. Over and out. This is the result after adjustments. Let's test it out. To be honest, KOBELCO isn't as good as cat at chewing rock. Let's extend the boom and try. Feels like this machine's regulator isn't great. Variable flow is just okay. We tested it a bit more later, got hungry and left. Get lost.